welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these super cute goddess twists. So these are individual crochet twists, and I'll definitely be sure to leave all the information down below as far as all the tools and the hair that I use. It's really only one hair. It's these crochet jumbo twists. I don't remember the exact brand, but that is what I use, and I have some burgundy ones in the back as well. So I mixed the colors up. I got a little pop of color in the back, and I've been seeing like goddess faux locks floating around, and I think they're super cute how they have the little wispies. Y'all, I cannot tell if I'm focused, and this is going to bother me. I hope I'm focused. So they're just super freaking gorgeous. But on me personally, I don't know what it is, but I just don't like dreadlocks on my face. And like I said, I thought the goddess look was so cute, and you guys have been showing me so much love on my goddess jumbo braid that I figured if I can't do locks, I could do twists. You know what I'm saying? I could do twists. So I've never seen anyone do goddess twists before. So I'm really excited, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Yo, I just love it so much. The little wispy, it just makes you feel like a little goddess for real, girl. What? I'm going to show you guys how to do it all in the video. And forgive me because I know I'm just like looking at this frame because I just can't get over it. Look how cute that girl. What? So yeah, you guys, if you would like to see how I got these super cute, quick, easy, inexpensive individual crochet jumbo goddess twists, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the hair that I'm using for this tutorial, and I used 2 packs. So I had 1 full pack of this 99J color, and then I had some leftovers. I think I had 7 strands of 1B and 5 strands of 2 from like a long time ago. So in total I did have 24 twists. So this is how I parted my hair. I used the bricklayering technique so that there's no spaces in my head, and each braid basically falls in between the part below it. So now I'm showing you how to crochet the hair in. So here is my twist, and you're just going to stick your crochet hook underneath your braid, and then you want to loop it onto the latch hook, pull it through, and then open it up. And now you're going to pull both strands, your hair as well as the crochet hair, back through the loop. And you want to be gentle because some of these twists are super soft and they can unravel. And then you just pull it nice and tight at the root. Now you're going to start to twist, and you want to put the twist like in between the little grooves of the twist and then push it up. So you just continue doing that, and then once you work your way all the way down your hair, you can go ahead and squeeze on the twist to loosen it up so it's not super tight and fluffy looking. So now I'm just doing the exact same thing, putting the latch under my hair, inserting the crochet hair, and now pulling my hair and the twist through the loop, pulling it nice and tight, and then do the same thing, twist your twist into the other twist. Now you also can kind of open the twist up like I'm doing here and then wrap it around your hair. You can try either technique. They both work very well. So that's really it, you guys. This is how it looks. Super duper cute. I actually wore it to work like this today, and then when I came home, girl, I had to add the little strands because I'm like, let me try this out. I really want to see how the goddess look will be. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So all you're gonna want to do is grab your hair, and this is actually hair from the same type of twist. I had some left over from other packs, and so it's literally the same exact hair. I just untwisted the hair and cut it in half. And so you just crochet it on the same way that you would do the regular twist. Put the hook underneath the root wherever you want it to go. Attach the hair and pull it through, and then loop your hair, or loop the hair, the crochet hair, through itself. And you can also do it through the twist. It does not have to be at your root, and That's what I did all over. I think I added like 10 pieces and it gave it this super cute goddess effect. Alright you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, definitely be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. And if you tried this hairstyle out, definitely feel free to send me a picture or tag me on Instagram. I'll have it linked down below. So yeah, once again, thank you so much. And as always, I love you and I'll see you in the next one.